A 5% of Radial coin on Fantom will be distributed if it's in the top 20. Market is crashing. This is a quick airdrop on Fantom. We only have 24 hours left. You go here, Radial website, you deposit USDC, for example, or some other pools. You need to have Fantom in your MetaMask wallet. I do not have. If someone found a Fantom faucet, let me know so I can get into the Fantom ecosystem on MetaMask. Highly appreciated. Go here, do this thing. We got ourselves Radial Finance, one of those projects that they will become convex like optimizer, like convex. They're currently ranked top 15. And if you know, Andre Konya is doing a snapshot for the top 20 coins on DeFi Llama on January 23. At least that's the rumor, give or take. So the top 20, let's see what we got here. Let's move my face. This is Radial number 15. 100 Finance, my getting crushed. But anyway, the top 20 will get some airdrop. All those chains. What does it mean? I don't know. But they came out and specifically says that they will airdrop the airdrop to people that are basically using the protocol. They've started Genesis farming. Users can already deposit their assets. They will be redistributed. Their token RDL, according to the following rules, you will only receive RDL after the snapshot. If Radial gets the top 20 coins, so if they stay in the top 20, 5% will be distributed to this bootstrap. If they're out of the top 20, you'll get 1%, so hopefully they will stay in the top 20. You can withdraw your tokens after the snapshot. So once that snapshot is taken, hopefully tomorrow, just take it out and move to the next one. Higher reward multiplier will be applied to those that staked early. This article came out like a day ago, so I don't know what they mean by that, but sure. After the snapshot, you will be proportionally given a percentage of, let's say, 5% based on the amount that you deposit in the protocol. So the more you put, the more you get. A claim contract will be available once the snapshot is made. Instructions to be made later. You go to this website, Radial Finance, link below. On Fantom, deposit your assets, and the snapshot will be on January 23, which is 24 hours from now. That's it. You can put USDC, Yearn Curve, Ethereum, whatever that you want. And again, in order to do so, you need to have some Fantom, some change as a transaction gas fees, which I need a faucet. Hope this was valuable. Market is crashing, so let's get some airdrop and money to buy the dip. I'll see you very, very soon. This is a hard weekend for all of us. Yeah, subscribe.